So I'm going to go over the wiring of the IR module. At the moment I have the motor disconnected and these are the line tracker wires. Here's the motor, here's the servo. Lift this up a little, I think. Yeah. So if you look carefully at the diagram in the PDF there, and also the module itself, 27, the time is 19:25, so it's 7:30 at night. So I got the IR receiver, and it has a GR and Y connector, GR Y connector, and you can see I got quite a mess on this table. So I made me a 3 connector ribbon, and which is disappear. Here it is. So I have red, brown, and black. So I'm going to say that the G is going to be red. So this is the IR module. Wire color. And then Arduino pin. So I got R is going to be brown, and Y is going to be black color. So I'll get those 3 guys plugged in here if I can. G is okay, red. It's going to be closest to me. I'm going to try doing them all at once. Come on. Yeah, there we go. No, maybe one at a time. It's taking some pressure. 1. And I'm just using my fingernails. 2 and 3. All right. And they're going to go up to 12 up on top. 12. So that is here. I can see 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So we have to use up this length of wire. So we can get creative. And I'm even going to get a little more clever. I'm going to run it. There's these brass posts holding the Arduino off the chassis, so that'll keep that wire in control. So I have to go, so G is going to go to 12 ground, so that's the red one. And then R, the center one, is going to go to 12V, which is the power. So it'll get the battery power. That's what power the IR receiver. And then the signal wire is 12S, and that's the Y wire, which is black. So that's 12S. Okay. So we want red to 12G. So that means gotta do a little flip here. And there's the red and the brown. And now the black. And these somehow pulled out a little bit. So I just did a little twist. And there it is. So So now the IR receiver is in place, so it's ready. This is the line tracker. I'm going to just tuck those under here, I think, just temporarily so that we have less clutter. Maybe. Well, maybe if I turned it around so I could see what I was doing, it would be helpful. Yeah. And boy, it just does. Oh, there we go. So put those like that. And there's the Bluetooth module. And the same with the servo wire because I'm afraid of it getting destroyed. And now I have my motor wires once again. And let's see. It's coming up nice and tightly. And they have to flip. And so I start off with the white and number 9. And then 9, 8, 7 for the white, gray, and brown. And then, oh wait, get to brown. 9, brown goes into 7. And now I go blue, green, yellow, and 5, 4, 3. All right, skipping 6 for some reason. Probably going to regret that because we may run out of pins. But for the time being, oops, I screwed up. So it's blue first. I crossed the blue and the green. Come on, I'm getting tired. Long day, and I've been working hard because on Wednesday I go in for surgery, and I'm gonna be knocked out for a couple days at least. It's big surgery. Okay, there we go. It's exciting, huh? It's starting to look like something. And so that is ready now for the remote. So I'm hoping I'll go over this tomorrow. We'll see if we can make the remote work. Okay, so that's it. Now the tedious task of rendering these videos.